Carabiner, just a tiny Mexican. I know it's from rock climbing, bitch. That's the joke. I know that. And if Mexicans can rock climb, that wall wouldn't do anything, so. A carabiner. Do you rock climb? Then why did she give you a carabiner? You a janitor? He's got a gun! No, I'm kidding. I'm so kidding. Joking, want to be very clear, security. We are fine. God damn, dude.
That's why it's not funny.
What are you, a janitor at Hogwarts? Jesus Christ. AirPods, wallet, hand sanitizer, flashlight?
Yeah.
There you are.